why do people downplay seeing a therapist and getting their mind right?
Mm. Yeah, I think even though it's more accepted than it certainly was years ago, there's probably still a stigma with it where you think, well, if I go to see a therapist, it must mean that I'm saying something's wrong with me, or, or people will think there's something wrong with me, or even that I'm quote unquote crazy. But the thing is, I mean, when I was a therapist, I saw all kinds of people. I mean, I've seen a therapist before. It just, I think what I'd tell people to consider is if you find a good match, and there's all kinds of therapists, you could find someone that's a good match. If you find a good match, someone that you feel comfortable with, it can be a great place to set some goals, get some things off your chest, overcome areas where you feel stuck. I mean, not everybody needs to see a therapist, but if you're feeling like really blocked in some part of your life where you're just not able to break through, or you're having psychological symptoms like high stress levels, high anxiety levels, high depression levels, and definitely if there was any, suicidal thoughts, any of those would be a good reason to see one. And they
Hmm.
have tools to help, and you don't have to go forever. It can just sometimes be short term, you know, long enough to get some support, some tools, some different
I agree.
ways to cope. I mean, I think any of us can have a time where we just feel weighted down and we need that added support. So
I agree.
there's nothing wrong with it, and I think more and more people are accepting it as a reasonable thing nowadays.
I agree. Therapy, because I go to therapy